So let's summarize solving special systems of linear equations. A system of linear equations can have one solution, no solution, no solution, or infinitely many, or just infinite solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So let's take a look at one solution. So with one solution, you will have two lines. And in every system, you'll have two lines. So here's one line, and then you will have a second line, like this. And they intersect at one point. Okay, so they intersect at one point. So graphically, you would get lines that intersect. Now, if you were to solve this system, so mathematically or algebraically, you would get an ordered pair. Okay, and that's what we've been focusing on. You get an ordered pair. And so you would have your x, y. So let's take a look at no solutions. No solutions. No solutions is if you have two lines. You have two lines, and they are parallel. Okay, they will never intersect. So the lines are, for no solutions, they are parallel. And then if you solve for it, you would get a false statement. A false statement. An example of that would be 0 does not equal 14, 2 does not equal -2, right? Those are not the same. And then the final one is infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. And so what you would get here is one line like this, and then you would get another line that lays right on top of it. Okay? Infinite solutions. So the lines are, you can say, are the same line. The lines are the same line. Or you can say that they overlap. They're the same line or they overlap. Exactly. So mathematically, you would get a true statement. If you solve for it mathematically, algebraically, however you want to call it, you get a true statement, or also known as an identity. An identity. And some examples of those are -2 equals -2. You get 3 equals 3. You get 100 equals 100. You could even have x equals x, right? They equal each other. So just to get some practice, try out this example here. Solve by graphing. And then you can try some more out here. So graphing this first line here, y equals 3x plus 1. So we start at the 1, and then we use the slope of 3, 1. So up 3, right 1, down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1. So this is my first line. And then let's graph the other one. So that one starts at the -5. And then I go up 3, right 1, up 3, right 1, up 3, right 1. And so there is my graph. You can already tell, when you're looking at this system, they have the same slope. So therefore, this is a no solution. Okay, no solutions example. The lines are parallel, so they'll never cross. So you'll get no solutions. So let's try it by solving by substitution. So in this, they have y equals 3x plus 1 and y equals 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5. I'm going to substitute it into the first equation. So this is 3x minus 5 equals the second equation, 3x plus 1. And I'll solve. Let's subtract by 3x to both sides. And we get negative 5 equals 1. So this is not true. No solution because negative 5 does not equal 1. Okay, so try out the other examples. See if you can get it. And then you're good. Just try this example here.